Well, the boat has changed. We're now a longline boat. A lot of work to get swapped over and get out of here in 2 days. Gonna be out in 3,000 foot of water. But the purpose of this video also is to show that there is 0 geoengineering aircraft. We have no aircraft in Alaska. It is only geoengineering operations. That is not ice. When I show you the other videos, that is attack on the American people. And Canada, by the way, and Mexico, England, France. I've seen this stuff in Spain, Russia, Germany. Commercial fishermen standing by. 0 geoengineering. Stand by for longline videos. We'll see Moby Dick. The sperm whales. Anyhow. Standing by. Wanted you to see the change up we've done. Usually I go home, but I'm not going home to 100-degree weather. Everybody be gearing up. Standing by. Get ready for black cod and halibut. Commercial fisherman out.